survive COVID, no vaccine. Donna Nyapil, I'm coming alive. I'm full of ambition. I came out the hood. I'm looking for change out of the cage. All of these niggas are goats. Civilian in boozy. Kill all the goats. I'm fucking this.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be looking at the charts on gold. Currently seeing a 22 trade, so we're gonna go ahead and mark our graph. So first thing, we'll start where we are, and then we get our zone here. Looks like they keep rejecting the zone. All right, so we'll keep an eye on this zone. Okay, let me just do it like this. Let me change the color. Let me make it full. No. Right, so this is what I'm seeing. So the first, they hit it here. This was the first touch. They came, gave us a neckline, came back. Right, then our first M was completed. So this is the neckline for the bigger structure. And then we had to push the 3 pushes going up. Now we're rejecting again there. So what do we expect here? We're expecting them to drop, come back down, and then give us another M similar to this, and then we'll be dropping the market. All right, so here it's a push. Okay, let me change this to a different color, because now it's making everything gray. Let's see. Yeah, that gray is perfect. And then we got our neckline here. So this is our first M. All right, our first M pattern. Right, and then it was completed, and then they gave us our neckline here. Right, so now this this was the 3 pushes going up. You can clearly see the 1, and then the 2, and then this is the 3rd one. Now we are rejecting again. Right, so let me move that one. So what I'm expecting is, so we're coming from the side. All right, and then the drop, and then come back up for the second leg, and then drop. All right, and then now this drop is gonna be a drop for like quite some time, so hopefully we reset by the 800 EMA with the drop that's gonna happen. All right, and now this is our neckline. So this is the 22 trade, right? The 2 M's. So this is the first M, and this is the second M, and this is our peak formation high here. Peak formation high. All right, so this is our peak formation high, and then we get our first M, second M, and then yeah, so once they start rejecting and making this M the way that we are looking for it, and then we'll take the sell coming down. All right, and these are a lot of pips, almost 1,000 pips. Yeah, almost 1,000 pips. Yeah, that's 1,000 pips. All right, what the, that's 800. Down to 1,000, 4, 5, 6. I think that's 10,000 pips. It can be 1,000. That's more than 10. I think it's like almost 10,000 pips. If I'm not mistaken, because that's gonna be a huge drop coming down to the 800 EMA. Right. So this is what I'm looking for. Let's go to the 4-hour and see what's happening. As you guys can see here, that was the first push. They came back, pushed, and even here there's pushes inside, because I can see 1, 2, and then 3 pushes inside, and then we went up back to our peak formation zone. Now we are rejecting. I'm looking to see if they're gonna sell and come back up to that same zone again to give us that nice clean M pattern. Right, and then from there, if they give us that nice clean M pattern, we're gonna be swing trading this one. We hold the trade right all the way to the 800 EMA, and then we reset, and then yeah, but on the day structure. Right, so we're expecting them to drop all the way to the 800 EMA on the day. Right, because of all this push going up, all this money they busy pushing up, they need to come back down one way or another before we continue going up. Gold is overall in an uptrend, but we need to do those pullbacks before we continue going up. And since gold has been going up for the past 6 months, I think, if I'm not mistaken, so the next 6 months we're gonna be going down. Right, so that's what I see, and that's what I think is gonna happen. Because when I'm looking at the hour, look at this, it's like a M that they did there, and now they're melting the market. But now the 50-200 cross there is also there. So now if they come back down and bounce, oh, let me see, that's the 50. Oh yeah, so that's this one. So they might go deeper. So they might go deep. Maybe the 800. Okay, let me see if it's the 800. There's gonna be the 200 EMA. It's almost close to here. Before we go up again for that second leg. No, let's go up. So it's that 200, because that on the hour it was the so it's the 50. Yeah, it's this. It's here. Right, so gold, we're expecting gold to come drop until here around the 50 EMA, right, on the day structure, and then go up for the second leg, and then we drop for our initial move, and that will be in a big M pattern or a big structure. All right, so that's my 22 trade that I'm seeing that's gonna happen on gold. So yeah, for me, I'm gonna leave the video here, because this was the video about the 22 trade and how I'm seeing the 22 trade happening and forming. So yeah, but guys, if you like the content, you can like, comment, and subscribe to the boy. For me, I'll see you in the next video that's dropping soon.